Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur, talking about the various print on demand websites, online art business ideas, and a little bit about the online entrepreneurship, guys. In today's video is a little bit different, guys. Today is a little bit of the motivational video for those of you guys who are not getting sales on the print on demand journey, who are not seeing the results, who are not getting the results which they desire to see in their print on demand journey or even in their online business journey, online entrepreneurship journey, and are feeling like what will going to happen next. There is uncertainty and they are feeling like what should we do next, and feeling demotivated, discouraged, and feel like giving up. So this video is especially for those of you guys who are feeling like you need to give up because you're not getting the desired results and you are feeling like what should I do next. So this is a motivational video for those guys to really help you a lot, because guys, I have been in your face and I can really feel that, I can really understand that when we are not getting the desired results, we feel bad about it, we question our decision, we question our abilities, we question everything, that whether it's for us or not, whether we are lucky enough to get the desired results or not, whether someone is getting that results, that means they are lucky, they are good enough, they have all those things that we don't have, and we started putting other people on the pedestal and putting ourselves in the inferior, lower to them, and then feeling bad about it. That's why I want to tell you guys, don't see yourself like that. If you are not getting results, if you're not getting sales, and you're feeling like what should I do next, should I give up on the print on demand journey, should I start with another business, should I see for other online passive income idea, and if you're seeing like the competition is huge, you can't grow, you can't get sales, and all those things are creeping in your mind right now, and you are feeling overwhelmed, you are feeling like giving up, you are feeling like I need to quit it, that it's not for me, it's not working for me, I need to quit it, then this video is really going to help you a lot, guys, because I'm going to share some tips and maybe talk to you guys about you shouldn't give up, about why you shouldn't give up, and instead what you need to do so that you can get your desired results and you would feel positive about it, feeling optimistic about your own print on demand journey, your own online entrepreneur journey, and feeling okay with that even if you are not getting the results right now. Okay guys, one thing I want to tell you, that if you have your own print on demand shop and you are uploading the designs, then I want to congratulations, because you have started with your own online passive income journey. Because many people think about that, I'm gonna start this, I'm gonna start with this, and since we have reached to 2021 and many people set the New Year's resolution on January 2021, like 1st January, and then 15 days later on they just break that thing and then they think that they shouldn't be doing it or they shouldn't be pursuing it. But if you are the one who are putting the time and effort in building these online businesses, then you will going to get the results, and congratulations for taking that first step, because the first step is often so difficult, the first step is often so contradictory, because we ask several questions to ourselves, whether it will going to work, whether it's for us, whether we are lucky now, whether we are good enough, and all those questions we ask to ourselves when we are taking that first movement or that first step. Since you have your own print on demand shop, you are uploading the design, so you have taken that first step. So first of all is congratulate yourself that you are putting your time and effort into it, you are giving it. So congratulate yourself, guys, and feel happy about it that you have taken the first step, because literally, guys, I'm going to tell you that not every people who watch these print on demand videos or watch these online business videos will actually going to take action in getting those results. They don't take an action, they just listen to that video and they think that okay, I'm gonna start the shop, I'm gonna start the next week, next month, and then they procrastinate a lot, and then it just goes side out and they won't even take an action for it. So first of all, I want to say you congratulate yourself that you have taken that first step, you have taken that first move. So which is really important to congratulate yourself, because optimism and positive self-talk is the key to success, guys, which is so important, because Like building an online business, or even starting with a new career, or starting with anything in your life. It could be a relationship, it could be a family, it could be a business, it could be starting anything new. You need to be optimistic about it, because things will going to take some time. It doesn't happen overnight. It's not a quick thing, guys. Life is not a shortcut. So you need to have that a bigger picture. You need to have that bigger goal or bigger thing in mind, and telling yourself that it's okay even if I'm not getting the results right now, I'll be getting it later on down the road. I'll be getting it. I just need to hold on to this. I shouldn't be giving up and all that, and shouldn't be comparing myself to other people. First thing is congratulate yourself, guys. Congratulations on this new year, or even on starting with 2021, that you have taken the first step. You have opened up your print on demand shop and you are uploading the designs. The second thing I want to tell you guys, don't compare your online journey, your own print on demand journey, with anyone or anyone around there. Even your friends, even other artists, even other YouTubers, or even other people who are posting various blog articles or various content online, and telling them that they're getting sales within a month or within a week of uploading the designs, and they are getting 4 figures, 5 figures, 6-figure income from that, and you started comparing yourself with them. Don't do that, guys, because you are doing yourself a big disservice. I want to tell you, don't do it, because demotivation, discouraging is the number one factor behind it. Is we started comparing ourselves with other people, and we are keeping ourselves down and keeping other people on the pedestal, thinking that they are getting the results, and so we are not getting it, so we are not good enough, and we started doing all those negative stuff. And guys, when you are comparing yourself with those other people around you, or those online YouTubers or online entrepreneurs and all that, you start comparing yourself with them, you are neglecting a big factor. What is that big factor? That big factor is that you don't know the complete picture of that person or that entrepreneur. You don't know the complete story about them. You don't know what they are doing in the background, what they are doing it, what the strategy, how they are working on it, when they get started with that, and all those things. You don't really know about it, because on the social media, on the online space, you just know about their highlights. You just know about their good stories, their success stories and all that, but you don't know what exactly they are doing in the background to get those results. So it's better you don't compare yourself with them, because you don't know the complete picture of it. You don't know what's there behind the scene, what's there behind the picture. So when you don't know anything about it, then why you need to compare yourself with them, and then telling yourself that you are not getting the results, so you are bad. So don't do yourself a disservice by comparing yourself with other, because you don't know the complete picture of the other person who are getting those results which you want. The third thing, guys, which is really important, but which is so difficult at times, is to have patience, which is so important, but we often feel like, oh, it's too long to wait for something. It's too long to get the results. They are getting the results in 1 month. They are getting the results in 1 week, and I am not getting the results in 1 week or 1 month and 6 months. And now what is that? So I want to tell you, have patience, because patience is so important. And we often think that we don't have patience. We want quick results. We want quick shortcuts, tips. We want quick strategies and all those things, and get the quick results and all that thing. But I want to tell you guys, big things and good things will take some time. Things takes some time. No matter how fast you can go, no matter how fast you can do that, but the things will going to take some time. Even if you are uploading like thousands of designs a day and you are thinking you are not getting the results, I want to tell you that it will going to take some time. It's not an overnight stuff. Our life is in fact not an overnight. The things doesn't happen overnight. It will going to take some time. So you need to have that perspective of having a patience, which is so important, and which we often feel like we don't have patience because we want the quick results, because everyone is saying that they are getting the quick results. So we also want quick results for our own online journey. I'm going to tell you guys, Rome doesn't build overnight. Things takes time. Even if you see the other big online entrepreneur, like if you see the Amazon, if you see the Etsy, if you see all these big people like the Google and all these big online entrepreneurs who have the big successes, who have the huge successes, even if you see them, you will going to see that they didn't get the desired results in a year of starting with their online business or a year of starting with their any startup. The things take some time. It will going to take a year, maybe a 2 year, maybe more than that. I don't know about it, but it will going to take some time. So you need to have the patience, because if you're giving up right now, if you are thinking that it's not working for you and you shouldn't be pursuing it, instead you need to give up. And if you are giving up right now, you don't know what will going to happen in the next month or maybe in the next week. So I want to tell you, don't give up, because maybe this is just the last roadblock you are seeing right now, or you are looking right now, or you are getting right now. And when you overcome this last roadblock, there would be a success, or there would be a good fortune for you after that, after this big roadblock. So I want to tell you guys, you are just so near to your success. You are just so near to the results you want in your life. So don't give up right now, because you don't know. Nobody knows that this could be the last roadblock in their life. This could be the last struggle or last difficulty in their life. And if they are the one who don't give up, who hang on to this journey and who just keep going on, and when this roadblock will be gone, they would be getting the desired results. They would be getting their success and all those good things they want in their life. So don't give up, which is really, really important, guys. Another thing, guys, I want to tell you that don't chase money, don't chase success, because I have read, I love reading these self-improvement books, and related to the online business as well, related to the law of attraction and all those books. I love reading them because they help a lot in improving myself as an online entrepreneur and improving myself in my own personal life. So I read all those books and all that. So in the few of the books it was there, it was so very well written. I don't remember that book. I don't remember that author name. I really don't remember that. Otherwise I would really credit them like that. Maybe I'm not saying that exact words, I'm just interpreting in my own language, in my own words, is you don't need to chase money, don't chase money, don't chase success. Instead, think of that, what value you can provide to the world, what value you can provide to this planet, and then the success, then the money will going to follow you. You don't need to go follow them. And this is not the exact words that I read in that book. I don't remember that book and author name. If I'm going to remember it, I'm going to put in the description box below or maybe in the comment section below. But I don't remember that book or that author name. So it was written like that only, that you don't need to chase money, you don't need to chase a success, or you don't need to chase a relationship. Instead, focus on what value you can provide to this planet, what value you can provide to the other people's life, and then you will going to see that the success, this money, this relationship will going to follow you instead of you following or you chasing them. So I read that big quote. So I want to end this video with this quote only: don't chase money, don't chase success, or don't chase a relationship or anything you want in your life. Don't chase them. Instead, focus on what value you can provide to this person's life, to this planet, to this earth, and then you will going to see that success or that money or that relationship will going to chase you instead of you chasing them. So I hope that this video really helps you a lot, really makes you feel better about your own online print on demand journey, and you won't give up. And I hope that you really helps you, it really motivates you. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye.